Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aditi Shifram. We're attached to the Surapata College. We are the members of Group 2. Today we'll be doing a presentation based on the terrestrial and the aquatic food web.
Something.
My name is Serena Itwaro.
My name is Kamuti Singh.
My name is Manisha Paris.
My name is Kishore Rainey.
My name is Gina Singh.
My name is Diana Khan.
So to start off our presentation this afternoon, I will be telling you what is an ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community of organisms along with its physical environment that the organism lives in. I now hand you over to Miss Party.
The next question is, explain how your food web can be used to deliver the concept of feeding relationship to students of your class. Food web are diagrams that illustrate the interconnectedness of plants and animals and decomposer within an ecosystem, highlighting the dependence of species. This helps to foster analytical thinking and help students understand the complex interaction within ecosystem, such as predator-prey relationship and the interdependence of species.
So the difference between a chain and a food web is a food chain is a linear sequence of who eats in an ecosystem, while a food web is a complex network of feeding involving interconnected food chains. I now hand you over to my next colleague.
I'll be telling you what happens if you remove a consumer from the food web. When you remove a consumer from a food web, it can disrupt the whole ecosystem. In an ecosystem, all species are connected, so if you take out one species, it affects the others. For example, if you remove a predator from an ecosystem, the animals it used to eat, its prey, may start to have a lot more of their own food source, which affects other animals that also depend on the same food. So when you take away one type of animal from the food, well, it disrupts the natural balance and can harm the overall diversity of life in that environment. Thank you.
Here is a model of the terrestrial food web. Now, a terrestrial food web, it shows the depiction of the transfer of energy from one living organism to another that lives on land. I will now hand you over to my colleague, Ms. Serena.
So in this food web, we have the producers such as the corn plant, the flowering plant, the lavender, the mango. We also have the primary consumer, which are the grasshopper, the butterfly, the fruit fly. We have secondary consumers such as the frog, the rat, the wolf, and tertiary consumers such as the python and the eagle. So here, the corn plant is being eaten by the grasshopper. The grasshopper is being eaten by the frog has been eaten by the rat, and the rat has been eaten by the python. In front here we have the flowering plant. The flowering plant is being eaten by the butterfly is being eaten by the dragonfly has been eaten by the frog has been eaten by the wolf, and the wolf has been eaten by the eagle.
Now here we have the lavender plant. The lavender plant here is being eaten by the butterfly. The butterfly is being eaten by the frog as well as the dragonfly. The frog is being eaten by the python, and it's also being eaten by the eagle. Over here we have the mango. Mango is being eaten by the fruit fly. The fruit fly is being eaten by the frog. The frog is being eaten by the eagle as well as by the python. And here we have the thrush, which is being eaten by the eagle, and the wolf as well. And the wolf is being eaten by the python. Thank you.
Here we have a model of the aquatic food web. Firstly, what is the aquatic food web? Aquatic food web. Here we have a model of the aquatic food web. An aquatic food web is an Here we have a model of the aquatic food web. An aquatic food web is a network of interconnected food chains that show the flow of energy and nutrients in the aquatic ecosystem involving various organisms like planktons, fish, and predators like shark and seals.
Here we have the seaweed, which is being eaten by the crab. The crab is being eaten by the squid. The squid is being eaten by the elephant seal and the penguin. The penguin is being eaten by the killer whale, and the elephant seal is being eaten by the killer whale. Here we have the zooplankton, which is being eaten by the phytoplankton. The phytoplankton is being eaten by the blue whale. The leopard seal eats the fish, and the killer whale eats the leopard seal.
That's the end of our presentation on the terrestrial and aquatic food web. Thank you for listening.